Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is circle. Dear students, today in this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important question, which is from the equation of circle, and it is frequently asked in Group D in SEE examination in optional mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is related to concentric circle. So let's read out the question. Find the equation of a circle concentric with the circle 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. So dear students, here in this question we have to find the equation of a circle concentric with the given circle and passing through a point. So dear students, before we discuss how to solve the problem, let us know what is the meaning of concentric circle. Dear students, two or more than two circles having same center are called concentric circles. So dear students, if we draw two or more than two circles taking the same center, then the circles are called concentric circles. So here in this case, we have to find out the equation of a circle which is concentric with 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. So dear students, let us represent this question by means of a rough diagram. So let's draw concentric circle. So dear students, by taking the same center, we are going to draw two circles of different size. So dear students, let us take the center of a circle. So I have taken the center of a circle. Now by taking the same center, I am going to draw two circles having different radii. So dear student, so in order to draw concentric circles, we have to take the same center, and by taking the same center, we are going to draw two circles. So dear students, so by taking this point as the center, I have drawn a circle. Now by taking the same center, I am going to draw another circle. Then the two circles are called concentric circles, circles having the same center. So dear students, by taking the same center, I have drawn another circle. So now we have got two circles with the same center, but the radius are different. So here we have drawn two circles with the same center. So these two circles are called concentric circles. So dear students, now we have let us say the smaller one as the first circle and the bigger one as the second circle. So dear students, here in this question we are going to find the equation of the second circle. Let us say the outer circle which passes through the point 2 comma minus 1. So dear student, we are going to find the equation of circle which passes through the center 2 comma minus 1 and concentric with the circle 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So let's suppose the first circle is the given circle. The equation of the given circle is 3x square the given circle, the equation of the given circle is 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. And we have to find the equation of a circle which passes through the point 2 comma minus 1 and concentric with the circle 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So dear student, now in order to find the equation of a circle passing through the point 2 comma minus 1 and concentric with the given circle, at first we have to find out the equation of, we have to find out the center of the given circle, because the meaning of concentric is circles having the same center. So from the given equation of circle, we are going to find out the center of the circle, and we'll use the same center of the circle to find the equation of the circle passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. So let's find out at first the center of the given circle. Dear student, the equation of the given circle is 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So let's find out the center of the given circle. So dear student, in order to find the center of the given circle, let us change the equation of the given circle in the general form. We know that the equation of a circle in the general form is given as, or it is written as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So let's change this in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Dear students, the coefficient of x square and y square both are 3. So in order to compare any equation of circle with the equation of circle in the general form, at first we have to make the coefficient of x square and y square 1. But here in this case, the coefficient of x square and y square are given as 3. So let's take 3 common at first. So if we take 3 common, then the remaining terms will be x square plus y square, and 3 to the 6 minus 3 1s are 3. So 3 will cancel after taking 3 common. 3 1s are 3. So dear students, we have taken 3 common from all the terms to change in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So dear student, so always we have to keep in the mind, before comparing the any given equation of circle with the equation of circle in the general form. That means in order to compare any equation of circle, at first we have to change in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That means we have to make the coefficient of x square and y square both 1. So dear students, so after taking 3 common, now the coefficient of x square is 1 and y square is also 1. So let's move 3 to the another side. So 0 divided by 3 will get 0. So this means if we take 3 to another side, then 0 by 3. 0 divided by 3 will be equal to 0. Now we can easily compare the given equation of circle with the equation of circle in the general form. So let's compare it. Comparing with x square plus y square so this means now we are going to compare the given equation of circle with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So dear students, x square and y square both are same. Here, by comparing, we have to find out the value of g, f and c. So we'll focus on g, f and c. So let's compare the term 2x with 2gx. So dear students, if we compare 2gx with 2x, then 2 will cancel, 2 will cancel and x will cancel. That means the value of g will get 1. So while comparing, we have to divide the coefficient, we have to divide the term containing x by 2. Then we'll get the value of g, because x will cancel. And if we divide 2 by 2, then 2 will also cancel, then the value of g will be 1. Let's compare the term containing y. That means let's compare 2fy and minus y. So dear students, if we compare 2fy and minus y, then y will cancel and the value of f will be minus 1 divided by 2. So dear student, the value of f we have got minus 1 by 2, and the constant term, if we equate the constant term, then we get the value of c is equal to 1. So dear students, here our main purpose is to find the center of the given circle, because in the case of concentric circle, the circles have the same center. Dear student, in the case of the equation of circle in the general form, the center of the circle is given by minus g comma minus f. So let's put the value of g and f. The value of g is 1, so minus 1. And the value of f, let's put the value of f minus 1 by 2, then minus will be plus 1 by 2. So dear student, the value of minus g comma minus f, that means minus 1 comma 1 by 2 is the center of the concentric circle. Now, by taking this center, we are going to find out the equation of another circle passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. So dear students, now we are going to find out the radius of the circle, because center already we have got. So let's find out the radius of the circle. So dear student, already we have found the center of the circle, or we can say the center of the concentric circles. Now two circles center are the same, we can take the same. Now let's suppose the center minus 1 comma 1 by 2 as x and y1. Let we are going to use distance formula, because distance between center and any point of the circumference of a circle is radius. So by using the distance formula, we are going to find out the radius of the circle. So center, supposing as x1 comma y1, and the given point 2 comma minus 1, let us suppose as x2 comma y2. So dear students, now let's use the distance formula, which will give us the radius of the circle. We know the distance between any two given points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by the formula d is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let's put the corresponding values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Dear students, x2 minus x1 means 2 and minus will be plus. So we have put the value of x2 2 and the value of x1 is minus 1. The value of x1 is minus 1 and minus we get plus. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus the value of y1 is 1 by 2. Dear student, now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 whole square will be equal to 9. 3 is a 9. And let us add minus 1 with minus 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 and 1. If we add, then it will be 3. So we get minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 square will be 9 by 4. So dear students, now let's add 9 with 9 by 4. We get 9 for the 36. 36 plus 9 we get 45. Divided by 4. Now root 45 divided by 4 means square root of 4 means 2. Root 45 by 2 units. So dear students, now in order to find the equation of circle passing through the point 2, minus 1 and concentric with the given circle, we have found the radius of the second circle, or we can say the radius of the outer circle. Therefore radius is equal to, which is the radius of the circle. Dear students, now we know the center and we know the radius. Now we are going to find out the equation of circle whose radius is root 45 by 2 and the center is minus 1 comma 1 by 2. So dear student, if center and radius is given, in that case we use the equation of circle in the central form. The equation of a circle in the central form is given by the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So let's use the formula of the equation of circle in the central form. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This formula is called equation of circle in the central form because we know the center and we know the radius. So dear student, let us now suppose the center of circle, the center of concentric circle as h comma k. The value of h is minus 1 and in the formula already there is minus 1, so minus will be plus. Y minus k whole square, the value of k is 1 by 2 equals to r square. The value of r is root 45 by 2. So dear students, we have simply substituted the value of center and the radius in the equation of a circle in the central form. Now let's expand because we have find the equation of circle in the general form. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by using the formula of a plus b whole square, x plus 1 whole square will be equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 a minus b whole square. The formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's use the formula. Dear students, square and root will cancel, then we get 45 and 2 square will be 4. Now let's arrange the terms. X square plus y square plus 2x, 2 to cancel, minus y. Then the remaining terms are plus 1, 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. Dear students, let us move the constant terms to the right hand side so that it will be easy for the calculation. So dear students, moving plus 1 and plus 1 by 4 to the right hand side. Since the denominators are the same, so directly we can subtract the numerators. 45 minus 1 will be equal to 44, and 44 divided by 4 will be 11, and 11 minus 1 will be equal to 10. Dear students, x square plus y square plus 2x minus y, 10 moving to the left hand side, then minus 10 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle, which is concentric with the circle 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0, and passing through the point 2, minus 1. So let's review once the solution, the process we have followed to solve this question. Dear students, here in this question we are given concentric circle. That means we are given circles having the same center, and we have to find the equation of a circle passing through the point 2, minus 1. The equation of one circle is already given, and we have to find the equation of another circle which passes through the point 2, minus 1 and which has the same center as 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we have to find the equation of circle passing through a given point and concentric with the given circle whose equation is given. So dear students, in the case of concentric circle, circles have got the same center. So at first we have found the center of the given circle by comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus is equal to 0, and we know that the center is equal to minus g, minus 5. So by comparing the given equation of circle with the general equation of circle, we have got the center. The value of center we have got minus 1, 1 by 2. Dear students, after finding the center of concentric circles, next we find the radius, because we have to find the equation of circle passing through the point 2, minus 1 and concentric with the given circle. So dear students, now to find the radius we have used the distance formula, because the distance between center and any point of the circumference of a circle is radius. So by supposing the center as x1, y1 and the given point as x2, y2, and by using the distance formula we have got the radius of the circle. Now if we know the center and the radius of any circle, then we can easily find the equation of circle by using the formula of the equation of circle in the central form. We know that the equation of a circle in the central form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now, we substitute the value of h and k, the center, and we have substituted the value of radius. Then after simple calculation, we have got the equation of required circle. We have got the required equation of circle, which is x square plus y square plus 2x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So dear student, if you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. Dear students, I hope that you have understood how to find the equation of a circle concentric with a given circle and passing through a given point. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.